So very good morning to all of you guys. Today we are going to discuss the top 10 word from the Hindu editorial of the date of 22nd February 2022. The first word is convulsion. 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 Convulsion means an abnormal, violent and involuntary contractions or a series of contractions of the muscles. It's called convulsion. Okay, CONVULSION. Convulsion means an abnormal, violent and involuntary contractions or series of contractions of the muscles, and the synonyms of convulsions are cataclysms, earthquake, storms, tempest, upheaval, uproar. These are the synonyms of convulsions. Next, contentions. CONTENTION. contentions. Contentions means heated disagreements, जैसे कि बात विवाद, तर्क वितर्क, ऐसे सेंस में contentions को यूज किया जाता है. CONTENTION. contentions. Contentions means heated disagreements, and the synonyms of contentions are disagreements, dispute, arguments, discourse, hostility, conflict, frictions, disharmony, feuding. These are the synonyms of contentions. Next, sarcasms. 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 Sarcasms means the use of irony to mock or convey contempt. Okay. आक्षेप वाक्य और कटाक्ष. ओके, इन दैट सेंस वी यूज सार्केजिम्स. आक्षेप वाक्य और कटाक्ष, द यूज ऑफ इरोनी टू मोक और कन्वे कंटेम्प्ट. जैसे कि आक्षेप वाक्य और कटाक्ष वाले ऐसे सेंस में सार्केजिम को यूज किया जाता है. SARCASM. सार्केजिम्स. ओके, एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ सार्केजिम्स आर डेरिजन्स, मोकेरी, रिडिक्यूल्स, इरोनी, टॉन्टिंग, एसोर्बिटी, modesty. These are the synonyms of sarcasms. SARCASM. Sarcasms. And the meaning of sarcasms is the use of irony to mock or convey contempt. Next, transgressions. TRANSGRESSION. Transgressions. Transgressions means an act that goes against a law, rule or code of conduct or an offense. It's called transgressions, and the synonyms of transgressions are offense, crimes, wrongs, wrongdoing, misdeed, law breaking, indiscretions, mischiefs, misbehavior, error. These are the synonyms of transgressions. Okay, next, usher. 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 Usher means show or guide someone somewhere. Okay, show or guide someone to somewhere. That's denotes ushers. USHER. Ushers. Okay, and the synonyms of ushers are escort, accompany, help, assist, take, show, lead, conduct, guide, convey. These are the synonyms of usher. 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 Next, credentials. CREDENTIAL. Credentials. Credentials means a qualifications, achievement, quality or aspect of a person's backgrounds, especially when used to indicate their suitability for some things. Okay, in that sense we use credentials. CREDENTIAL. Credentials. And the synonyms of credentials are documents, papers, identity papers, warrant, license, permit, pass, certificate, documentations, testimonials. These are the synonyms of credentials. Next, luminary. 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 Luminary means a person who inspires or influences others, especially one prominent in a particular sphere. Okay, that persons we call luminary. 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 Okay, and the synonyms of luminary are inspirations, leaders, experts, masters, dignitary, superstar, legends, great. These are the synonyms of luminary. Next, antagonisms. 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 Antagonisms means active hostility or oppositions. ओके, विरोध और शत्रुता, उसी के सेंस में एंटागोनिज्म को यूज किया जाता है. ANTAGONISM. एंटागोनिज्म्स. एंटागोनिज्म्स मीन्स एक्टिव हॉस्टिलिटी और ऑपोजिशंस, एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एंटागोनिज्म्स आर हॉस्टिलिटी, फ्रिक्शंस, एनिमिटी, एंटीपैथी, ऑपोजिशंस, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, डिस्कॉर्स, contentions, aversions, hatred, loathing. These are the synonyms of antagonisms. 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 Next, malfeasance. 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 Malfeasance means wrongdoing or misconduct, especially by a public officials. It's called malfeasance. malfeasance, malfeasance, malfeasance. Okay, malfeasance means wrongdoing or misconduct, especially by a public officials, and the synonyms of malfeasance are misbehavior, misconduct, misdoing, wrongdoing. These are the synonyms of malfeasance. Next, astute, astute, astute. Astute means having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or peoples and turn this to one's advantage. Okay, chotur or chalak. In that sense, we use astute, astute, astute. Okay, having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or peoples and turn this to one's advantage. In that sense, we use astute, astute, astute. Okay, and the synonyms of astute are shrewd, sharp, acute, quick, clever, intelligent, bright, brilliant, smart, intuitive, insightful, sagacious, wise. These are the synonyms of astute. Okay, so thank you.